Over the past year, I've been talking to you a lot about using my full-time RV life formula to get started RVing. And this is the exact formula that has allowed me to transition from a sticks and bricks lifestyle into full-time RV living. And if we haven't officially met, I'm Logan Brandy from RVersity, a university for RVers, and I'm an actual full-time RVer. So I've lived in travel trailers, done the van life thing, and now am motorhome living full-time in my RV. But I've also gone from traveling in the road in my RV to now full-time stationary RV living in an RV park. But during that time, I've been perfecting my full-time RV life formula, testing it on others, listening to their feedback, and now I want to give you an opportunity to see what it would look like in your actual life with tactical lessons that you can start implementing today. So I'm holding a very special training that I don't want you to miss. I'll be live teaching you how to minimize your life and mobilize your income. So if you need help finding and buying the right RV for your lifestyle and budget, or if you're just wondering if you can actually afford to live in an RV full time, how to plan and prepare for full-time RV life, from downsizing to mobilizing, to finding ways to make money on the road and build your own mobile money machine, all the way through the RV buying process, from how to buy the right RV for your lifestyle and your budget. And again, this is the exact formula that has allowed me to transition into full-time RV living. So you want to click the link below this video and register to save your seat for this RV Living Masterclass. You do not want to miss this. Now, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. This workshop is 60 minutes long, and it is only for those who are committed and serious about implementing this. And yes, there will be a replay, but if you show up live, you'll be able to ask me all your burning questions about RV life. So if you're serious about changing your situation, then be sure to join me for the only directions you need to get started full-time RV living the fastest, easiest way without any detours. And I think you're going to love this. I promise this is not magic. You can do this, and I'm showing you how. All you have to do is just show up. So if you're at a point where you just want to kick your fears to the curb or start taking control of your life, I'm going to show you the strategy that has changed my life, enabling me to live a life on my own terms with the freedom to travel anywhere and live in my RV and work from anywhere on the road. I've built an RV life and a life and business that I love on wheels, and I want to show you the exact strategy, the steps that I took to do this, because now I have the finances and the freedom to do all the things that I want to do on my own terms, living in my RV, the RV life that I've always dreamed of. So you can head over to fulltimерvformula.com or click the link in the description below this video to save your seat and register, and I'll see you there.